Hi there, I just wanted to create a quick video showing a new feature that we added to the RefBytes Platform Manager. The Platform Manager is a full hosting management platform for Omeka and Omeka S, but the new feature that we've added is the ability to duplicate a site within the platform. So there are several reasons why you might want to do this. One is perhaps you just want to create a backup of your site, and that's great. Another, real practical reason is you want to test out a plugin or module and just ensure that it works without risking corrupting any data or taking down your site. It can be frustrating to install a new module and then it doesn't work, or it breaks your site and then you have to uninstall it. The other example that I'm going to show today is when you're upgrading a site. So you can see here we have Omeka version 3.1 installed and there's an update available. So what I'm going to do is create a copy of the site and then perform the upgrade just to ensure that everything's working. And then I'll go back to the original and upgrade the site later. I'm not going to show that in this video, but this instance right here, you can see it installed, and I have several plugins already installed in the site. I only have one item, but you can see there's an upgrade ready to be installed. So in order to make sure that I don't break the site, I'm just going to create a copy, and I can give it a new name. I can add it to a circle, which is how we group different sites for easy filtering and bulk tasks. But you can see it is starting the copying process, and we can watch the tasks being completed in real time. What it does is it creates a backup of the original site's database, and then it creates a new database and restores the backup to the new database. It copies all of the Omeka files in the installation and all of your media files as well. So you can see our server is being provisioned. Everything is getting ready to go. There's nothing that I really have to do on my end. I don't have to log into the server. I don't have to manually create those backups. It will actually even install an SSL certificate for the new site. And you do get a temporary URL for any of the sites on our platform, but you can add a custom domain or subdomain for each of your sites, and we'll install an SSL certificate for it. So it looks like everything is ready to go, and we can go check out the admin site. So I went ahead and logged into our new site, and you can see it also is telling us we need to upgrade, but I have all of the original items, all of the plugins are installed. And so I'll just come down to the copied site, and I can create a backup, or I can just select the version that I want to install, and it'll go ahead and perform that on the server. And when I refresh, and you can see that the upgrade has been performed, I can now verify that everything went successfully, that all the plugins work, that my site's still intact, and then go back to the original site and do the same thing. But as you can see, I didn't have to log into the server. I didn't have to set anything up to perform this test. I just create a quick copy and do the upgrade. And now if I want to, I can go back and I can just delete this copy of the site, or I can keep it around as a staging environment where I can do some testing and do upgrades in the future and just run them side by side.